kids. So, as promised, we're going to be doing some graffiti lettering um, for our symmetry lesson. I'm sorry about my camera going in and out of focus. We'll try and fix that. So, this is practice, okay? So, what we're going to do is we're going to be outlining these letters. And you're going to use this for when you go to do your project. Outlining means going around the contour of something or the outside. So, we're going to start with the letter A, and what you're going to do is you're actually going to add arrows to it in one place, like that, okay? Because arrows are a common element in graffiti. Then, you are going to very lightly and carefully go around the letter and the arrow. Now, you would think that we went all the way around the A and that it's finished, but it's not. You can't forget to go inside and repeat the shape that might be in there. And there's your graffiti letter. Now, you can be a little bit more expressive with your lines. They don't always have to be perfectly straight. There are no rules in graffiti, which is what makes it a cool kind of art. So we can be a little bit more expressive with each letter. So as I move to my B, maybe I want to curve the line. Now the B doesn't have any ends to its lines like the A did, so we can't add an arrow to the B. So we're just going to go around it. You can see it's just a little bit different than the A. It's a little less straight and perfect. And then you're going to go inside and repeat the shape. Easy peasy. So I'm going to move along, and I would like for you to work with me. Pause whenever you need to. Add an arrow to the C. Could be at the top or the bottom. Go around your arrow like that and back out to where we started. Okay. The D does not have any ends to its lines, so we can't do an arrow there. So you're just going to go around the outside and go on the inside. The E, we can add an arrow or two if you want. Why not? There you go. So the end's a little bit tricky because you want to kind of put these little caps on the corners, but you got to make room for them. The O is the easiest one ever. You're just going to go around the outside, make a little hole. Hue's a bit tricky, especially on the inside. Watch what I do. See that? Again, kiddos, if I'm going too fast, just pause. And there you go. Don't worry about the R at the end. We don't need to do anything with that. So, start with practicing your outlining, and then in part 2, we'll talk about how to add color to the letters.